Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the project management office. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, project management office or PMO. Basically, it's a very important topic, and with respect to exam point of view of PMP, this is a very important topic, and at least 10 to 15 questions will definitely be there in the exam of PMP related to project management office. So what is PMO or project management office? Right, project management office, like we know that in any organization there are multiple divisions or departments, like for example finance department who look into for the finance things, accounts department, the software development division, the marketing division. So similarly, in an organization nowadays, a separate division is basically building for to manage the projects, that is called as project management office. So see, these are the three terms: project management office. So that means a division who looks into the project management, who looks into projects. Now basically project management office is basically, you can say, a division, a group of people in an organization who basically defines the standards for managing the project and maintain the standards, procedures, and look into the projects. And PMO can either be internal or external, but basic role is to manage the projects. So basically project management office has multiple project managers, project coordinators, portfolio managers, program managers, and they basically look into projects whoever are going in the organization. They maintain the standards, procedures, and the guidelines for the projects. Now next is that the project management office basically keeps the documentation about the projects. Like for example, they keeps the scope documents, project management plan, risk management plan, communication management plan, the lesson learned documents, etc. So all the documentation related to projects, especially contracts and project management plan, are maintained by the project management office. They also basically have a role about governance and the guidance for the project. Guidance means that how project should be executed, what methodology should be used, or what planning technique should be used. And governance means the controlling of the project. Like for example, if any project is not performing well, it's not as per the standards, or it's not giving return on investment, so either we should have to continue, either we have to discontinue it. So uh, basically it project management office adds value to the stakeholders, like the CEO, CTO, customer, internal stakeholders, and they basically tells you that help the organization to on the return on investment as well. Next is the roles and responsibilities of project management office. First one is the strategic planning. Strategic planning means that what projects have potential, what projects needs to be started, what projects should not be started, what is the return on investment, what should be the selection criteria, either projects are performing well, either projects are not performing well. So basically the first one is the strategic planning. Then define the project management methodology. That means what methodology is suitable for the project. For example, few projects are suitable for example, waterfall methodology, Scrum, Agile, Lean. So whatever Kanban, so whatever the project management methodology is suitable, it should be defined properly and make sure that it should be implemented to follow the project. Then best practices. Best practices means the standards and the procedures which are best suited for execution of a project should be defined and should be make sure that should be followed in the execution of a project. Also project management office defines the culture of a organization. Culture means that, for example, on a daily basis they do the stand up meetings, on a daily basis, on a monthly basis they do the steering committee meetings, um, on a weekly basis they do the status meetings, on a on weekly basis they share the status reporting, etc. And the concepts about project management should be well aware in an organization. So normally project management office is also responsible to set a culture in an organization as well. Then project management office is responsible for the resource management. Resource management means the human resources, the software, the hardware. So the whatever the resources whoever is required for managing the project, it should be maintained and managed by the project management office. Other tools like creative creates project archives tools, for example the MS Project, the Jira, other software tools, any other tools which are good for project management, for to manage the project. For example, many people use Jira in an organization. It's a very well known project management tool. Also Microsoft Project is a very good tool to manage the project, to manage the project schedules. So also some other people use the SharePoint software as well, to use the project archives, to archive the different documents like a scope document, project management plan, project schedule. So project management office is also responsible to maintain these types of software tools and other tools for project archives as well. There are mainly three types of project management office. First one is the supportive PMO type. Supportive means that PMO collect all projects in an organization, supplies best practices, templates, training, but they have a very low degree of control in an organization. Here friend, we all know that every organization have their own power politics, and they have their own dynamics. So project management office, supportive project management office means that it only provide a support to other departments like functional division, the business division, and they are in a supportive role. When we talk about supportive role, means that they don't have the power, actually they don't have this very high say in an organization only. Okay, that is the concept of supportive. Then controlling means again the same process. PMO control the PMO checks if the project management tools, processes, standards are being applied in the project, but they have some level of degree in the degree of control in the organization. So controlling PMO type is, we can say, more authoritative, or we can say more power as compared to the supportive have no power, of a very low degree of control or power. Controlling has some power or some more power as compared to supportive. Then the directive product PMO type means that they have a very high say in an organization. They have a high control in the project management processes within the organization, like they can take a decision whether either this project should be started, this project should be terminated, and they have a control. They have a very high control, you can say a driving force or driving seat they have. So they can take decisions about, and they can enforce their decision on other departments as well. So basically you can say supportive PMO type has very low power, very low control. Controlling PMO type has better power or some level of degree of control, and the directive has the highest level of power, highest level of control, highest level of say in an organization, and they can control the execution of a project. They can take a decision about the execution of a project. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.